Hey guys, welcome to the Tesla Cafe with Izzy
and Alex, and today I will provide you with a brief update about the EV world. But first, please consider subscribing to our channel as it will greatly help us grow. You know, Izzy, I love it that the Tesla Model 3 just keeps getting better and better. First, we get the over-the-air updates, and then, the Tesla shop. It keeps getting new accessories all the time.
Air filter that just came in.
Yeah, and now we got the version 2 Trek Pack, which has the new rims, amazing looking rims. It just keeps getting better all the time. And now you get the custom tuning shops that are trying to modify the aero. Yeah, to lower it and give it some spoilers, diffusers, just to make the car a much better track car overall. While it's completely still usable as a daily driver. Just like the most recent private customer, he went to Unplugged Performance, which is a world-renowned tuning shop for various manufacturers, but they also happen to have a lot of stuff for EV and particularly Tesla. Yeah, and apparently they flew it to Japan, to the same iconic racetrack where a record was set by the McLaren F1.
Oh, the same car that Elon Musk bought his first supercar.
That's right.
So now the Model 3 is back on the track and beat that record by 1 second.
By 1 second, yes, he was able to do that. And the guys actually said that it can do even better now that the version 2 Trek Pack available
is out.
Yeah, and it just shows you that you can have an everyday driver that is also an insane track car. I just love it. It's super impressive.
I agree with that. Talking about impressive car, Tesla just reached an amazing milestone, which is 1 million car. Who would have said 10 years ago that Tesla would sell or produce 1 million cars?
So many doubters along the way. It was just nobody believed that it could actually happen, that Tesla will succeed, and thrive among the biggest sharks out there, like VW, BMW, Mercedes, GM, Ford. And nobody believed that.
Because they were so small. Just 1 year ago, they had half of that number. So in 1 year, they almost double. It's just an incredible pace, and it's just exponential. It's still going on. Now with all the project that is coming, Elon was talking about maybe a new gigafactory in the center of the States.
That's right, for the Cybertruck.
And they already have 2 in construction at this moment.
Yes.
So it's just a phenomenal rate of...
Yeah, despite all the doubters and despite what everybody says about Tesla and Elon Musk, they just keep growing and growing, and it doesn't stop. And
the funny part, it's a Model Y too. So the 1 million car, it's a Model Y.
I'm sure it's not a coincidence.
It's not a coincidence.
Nothing is a coincidence with Tesla.
Yeah, exactly.
So no, it's pretty great. I'm really happy for the company, and really happy for all the customers that get the confidence boost about the fact that the company is actually growing and it doesn't stop.
It's not going anywhere.
It is not going anywhere, not at this point anyway. And if you also consider all the energy products that are out there.
Yeah, they do car, but the battery pack is just starting to grow up, and the solar panel.
That's right.
And who knows what's coming.
Yeah, Elon actually in one of the tweets maybe a few months ago, he was saying that the solar roof will potentially surpass their automotive section. Yeah, because it's in such a high demand.
So thumbs up for the whole team that achieved that crazy milestone.
Yes. And speaking of the Tesla energy products, apparently Canada ordered its first Megapack.
Oh yeah, for a small town in New Brunswick.
That's right. Yeah, close to St. John, I think. And the cool part about it is that they actually bought that Megapack to provide better service for their customers. So essentially, when the peak rates hit, they would be engaging that Megapack to offset the peak rates. And it can also reduce service interruptions.
I'm pretty sure all the big electricity distributor will jump in that model really quick.
That's right. That's right. No, but it's a great first step to Canada.
Yeah, really good. I'm sure we're gonna see more.
Yeah.
Now for the fun section of the show. A good old legacy dealer, Lexus, did a funny thing. He started to distribute little flyers in the cars, that in the Tesla cars, to advertise that they will take their car and they will give them a grand extra to exchange to a real car without
Yes.
compromise.
Yes. The slogan says, "Okay, you've had your fun. Now it's time to evolve into zero compromise."
Zero compromise.
Yeah,
with
they're
it.
suggesting that Tesla is a compromise.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
selling their car that needs gas and maintenance.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think
well,
they're desperate.
I think we try anything at this moment.
Yeah.
Too
Even
bad for-
$1,000 will not convince.
Yeah, they should keep their money instead of printing flyers and try to reinvent themselves. I think it would be better invested.
Absolutely.
Oh well, too bad.
And with that,
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And see you later for another Tesla Cafe.
cheers.
Cheers.